Hey, my lov'bys. I have no rights to this music. Please don't mess with my audio. All right, I have this small tip. Everybody asks me what do I do for my arms, and instead of telling them all the time what I do, I really don't have like a repetition set. I'm not a repetition kind of girl. I don't do like 20 repetition, 40 repetitions of this. No, I'm not a repetition kind of girl. This is how I work. It depends on what my body feel like doing for the day. I may do an hour. If I don't want to do an hour, I may do 2 songs. If I don't want to do 2 songs, I may do a sitcom. I might watch a YouTube video. I might do 30 minutes, 20 minutes. And far as my weights, I never have a set weight. I'm not a set weight kind of girl. I don't do like 40 weights here. I change my weights every day for my arms. I do something different every day. See, that is what I was trying to tell you guys. Never let your body know what you're going to do for it. Never let your body know what you're going to do. Your body can get in a standstill mode. It will stop building. It will stop showing you results. So for you to keep getting results, don't set a weight limit. Don't set a time limit. Don't set none of that. Don't do repetitions. I don't do repetitions. I've never been a repetition girl. It bores me. I get bored quickly by 20 repetition. No. I can't do repetitions. Depends on what I feel like. So today, I may feel like staying on the chain machine for my arms an hour. I may feel like 30 minutes. I may do 2 songs. I may, however I feel, that's what I do for my arms. And, I've never been a repetition girl. So I change it up every day. I might do 30 pounds today. I might do 50 pounds tomorrow. I might do 10 pounds today. I may do more repetitions. So go at it. It's much easier. You don't have to think about it. You don't have to say, I forgot my list. I don't know what to do this week. No, you don't have to worry about that. Just go at it. However you feel, whatever you feel. Like I always get, what do you do for your arms? What you do for your arms? I'm telling you what I do for my arms right here. I don't have a repetition. I do whatever I feel for the day. It works for me. It works for me, So don't do repetitions. Like, if you feel like you're a repetition kind of girl or guy, by all means, go right ahead. But for me, I'm not a repetition type girl. Never been. I like to make my life so much easier to just do what I feel. And I just want to do what I feel. I just want to do whatever my body feel like doing and just go ahead and no repetition type, no repetitions. So I might be on there. I might watch a YouTube video that's 5 minutes. So I'm saying I'm going to do these for 5 minutes. Or I might have 2 songs on my track that I want to listen to. I might pull up for the 2 tracks. So always do something different weights, different repetitions, different time every single day. So this is my secret of getting my arms that I'm not a repetition type girl. I do whatever I feel. I might be tired. I might not want to do 30 minutes. I might only want to do 5. Then you do 5. But if you're a repetition type girl and if you can keep track of your progress by repetition, go right ahead. But I'm telling you how I achieve my arms, which is no repetition and no set weight. Okay? How are you guys doing today? I have to get that out the way before I start running my mouth, because if I start running my mouth, I won't get my small tip out of the way. So yeah, I just got to the gym. I feel good, pregnant and all. Your girl feeling good, pregnant and all. I'm here. My energy is getting a little at 43 years old, but not 43. I'll be 43 when I have it. 42 years old, it is hard building a baby. So I'm trying to keep much energy as I can to keep me going through this gym much as I can. But I know it may come to a point of time that I may have to stop. I don't want to, because I just, I don't want to. But whew, it's a little hard, being pregnant and trying to keep your fitness up. But I'm going to try as long as I can. And when you see me stop coming, hey, Shira, when you see your girl stop coming to the gym, you best believe I'm sick. You best believe this baby got me down. You best believe anytime you don't see me in the gym, it's the baby. It ain't me. I didn't get lazy. I didn't get sick. It's the baby making me like that. So I'm trying to keep my energy. But the bigger I get, the more it get a little harder, I must say. I'm old, and trying to be pregnant is not what I envision for myself right now. But God envisioned it for me, so I have to accept that and move on. So, oh geez. I love you guys. I'm not going to talk you to death. I'm about to hit the treadmill as long as your girl got the energy. I'm going to try to do an hour. If I can't get an hour in, then your girl just going to do 30 minutes, 20 minutes, whatever I feel. All right, my lovies. I love you to pieces. You guys mean the world to me. And I see you on the treadmill. Bye-bye.